Before the sun's first golden ray, we stand and chant to wake the day, calling forth light from beyond the waves. The ocean yields what our bodies crave. We sing. Awaken, O sun, let your blessings bring. The water flows from sea to earth, the source of life, renewal, birth. It tumbles over cliffs so high, a silver thread through the valley's eye. It winds through Lo'i, nourishing all, a steady voice, a timeless call. Ha no ka'ua ika ulu la'au. The rains will follow where forests grow. Do you feel the pull of the ocean's song? Its tides remind us where we belong. Upon the shore, we meet the sea. Its waters flow through you and me. Beneath the waves, so much to love. The patterns here mirror what's familiar above. We feel the loss. We know the cause. So will we stop? The bounty's not endless, but gifts still flow. It's never too late to learn and grow. E lava ikau ama lama, we say. Take what you've learned and pave the way. For earth is not ours to bend or break, but a trust to keep for our children's sake. Feel the sun, its warmth a plea. Feel the pull of the vast, endless sea. Let the wind remind you, the mountains guide. Let the land hold you, the water provide. For without them, what will remain? Only silence, a ghost of rain. Reclaim the balance. Let love renew. One land, water, family, true.